All right, y'all. Welcome back to Awoken Minds. Just got done eating a good breakfast. Had to break the fast. But, life is good. 13 love, 13 wisdom, 13 knowledge, 13 respect, 13 truth, 13 peace, 13 freedom, 13 justice, 13 happiness, 13 joy, and 13 spiritual prosperity to you and yours. So, like I said, life is good. Life is always good. And man, how I'm feeling is hard to express. Well, I can express it, but it's hard to describe it. But some words that I can put on some words that can help with you understanding how I feel and the energy that's emitting from my energy field. I feel grace. I feel divine love. I feel one. I feel happy and joy and full of bliss. I feel complete. And that's how we're supposed to feel complete. Despite what's around you, feel complete within. So I did a spiritual bath. Now the spiritual baths that I do are very potent. They're healing. They remove any negative energy from the mind, the body, the aura field, the spirit, and the soul. It removes all of that. It removes any entities or any type of demonic or satanic forces or any wickedness. It removes any hexes and curses. It removes your doubts and your fears and your worries and your biases that you may have on people. It removes the heaviness in the heart. It removes all the worry. It removes all these negative energies, even negative ancestors. That's how powerful these spiritual baths are, right? I had experiences with certain power plants that alter your mind, right? They give you guidance, etc. But these spiritual baths that I do, they give me the same effect, but it hits harder. It hits deeper. And you have to be willing to face whatever may be lying in the darkness, So the divine light, the divine love can come in your heart and your mind and your body and soul and purify you. But you have to be brave to face whatever you've been dealing with all these years. Now, I don't recommend taking anything outside of yourself to ingest to alter your mind. But I will say this, it has helped me. And now I see how to be the tool, which is me, the essence of me. So I'm going to provide some instructions about how to do a spiritual bath. You will get the ingredients and also the words of power to go with it, and some advice on how you must enter it, and some tools on how to alter your mind without any power plant. So make sure that you be on the lookout in that description for that, because I will provide a link so you can have access to the PDF on how to do the spiritual bath, what state of mind you need to be in, and with the instructions, right? It'll be on my website. So with that being said, remember this: 13 love, 13 wisdom, 13 knowledge, 13 respect, 13 truth, 13 peace, 13 freedom, 13 joy, 13 happiness, 13 purification, 13 protection, 13 spiritual prosperity to you and yours. And it is an honor to have you listening to this video, because I appreciate you, you know, and I let my works show. You know, you will know me through my works. And there's a certain verse, I forgot. It's a certain verse I was reading. I gotta find it. I will put that verse in here as a scripture. Know me by my works. You know, I'm telling you, life is good. 13 peace.